Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Gemini placement. This is your general, mga sitwasyon pagdating sa love, and the person on your mind reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, don't forget na i-follow rin yung dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Yung Love Letter and yung Rescue Animals. Okay, so again, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin yung mga tanong pagdating sa ating mga items. Yung Evil Eye Protection, yung ating Love Bracelet, yung ating, Grantor Necklace, and cord cutting. Okay? So, again, sa FB page po, wag sa comment section kasi may chance na ibang magre-reply sa inyo. Ang madalas pa dyan, yung mga nanggagaya ng ating FB page. Akalain nyo kami, hindi kami yun. Okay? Hindi kami nagre-reply sa comment section po, Okay? Hindi kami nagre-reply ng PM sent. We don't do that. Yeah. Okay. So, let's start, Gemini. Okay. So, what's for you in general? Bago mag-end ang April. What's for you? Okay, merong 8 of Cups in reversed. What's with that? 4 of Wands. May uuwi. Or may uuwi. May uuwian. Parang, What's with this? Queen of Pentacles in reversed. So, in general, may chance ng sabihin nating patungkol sa stability or leveling up. If this is talking about your health, may chance na parang mas nagiging okay or mas magiging okay. If this is saying no for an answer, resisting, or parang meron kayong i-resist or tatanggihan. Meron ditong babalik somebody from your past na pwedeng makasira. Okay? Makasira sa stability mo, sa health mo. The Queen of Pentacles in reverse is somebody na pwedeng may anak. Okay. Ano meron dyan sa Queen of Pentacles in reversed? You have to say no. You need to say no sa kanya. Kung bumabalik man, kumukonect man. Kasi medyo nagiging okay na eh. We have here the 4 of Wands. Medyo nagiging okay na in general yung status ng iba sa inyo. So, meron ditong parang panggulo eh. See the Justice in reversed. Hindi mo na dapat i-welcome to. Kung sino man to. Some of them, they have legal issue, legal matter, kung ano man. Okay, may kinakaharap na mga legal issue. The Justice in reverse. So, what else for you, Gemini? Gemini. The High Priestess. Follow your intuition. Follow your intuition. What's with that? The Emperor in reversed. Kung hindi mo alam ang gagawin, humingi ka ng mga signs. That's a message. Okay? Kung meron kang mga plano, desisyon na gagawin and hindi mo alam kung paano, humingi ka ng signs. Somebody is under evaluation. The Page of Pentacles. may mag-start. I don't know if this is talking about promotion or new plans pagdating sa business. Okay? So, yeah. Maraming plano actually. Ako nakikita dito. Pero yeah, parang one by one. Parang ganyan. What else? Somebody's stalking you. There's this somebody stalking you. Keeping tabs on you. The Four of Pentacles in reverse. Money. Parang meron kayong pagkakagastusan or parang maglalabas ka ng pera. What's with that? Four of Pentacles in reverse. The Three of Cups. I don't know if this is meron kayong ililibre, no? Or yeah, going out with your friends maybe, or with your family. There's this gastos. Oh, tos gas. Na pwedeng mangyari. Queen of Cups in reverse. Merong mga sabihin nating mga manggagamit. Oo. Kung ikaw ito Gemini na parang napaka pagbigay mo, no? Some of them talagang alam mo na, yung parang sasamantalahin yung kabaitan mo. Okay? Yeah, the King of Cups in reverse, the Magician in reverse. Hindi lahat kasi ng taong kumukonek sa'yo ay sabihin nating talagang okay. Yeah, the Seven of Wands. This is guarding yourself, saying no sometimes. Alam mo na yung parang sumusobra na sila. Okay? Block them kung kaya mo. Tanggihan mo. Yeah, the Empress. They see you as somebody na pwedeng talaga like open, present always, parang ganyan. Okay, pwedeng gumanto sa'yo, parang mga ganyang bagay. So, magkaroon ng limit. Okay? Parang meron ditong energy of somebody na parang tingin niya may limitations na pagdating sa'yo. Nasa small circle lang kayo ng taong to, I think. You have to avoid this person. Kailangan ka lang niya kasi yeah, sa mga pangsariling dahilan. Okay? Gusto ka lang nito na maging open sa kanya. Pero you have to avoid this. You have to avoid them. Isolate yourself from them. Kung sino man to. Okay? I don't know why. So, there. So, tayo tumungo na sa situations in love ng mga Gemini. So, let's get 2 situations. Ano bang meron? Situations in love or sa mga connection na meron. Anong meron sa mga Gemini? Ten of Cups. Five of Pentacles. Somebody here. Meron ditong nanonood na parang makakapag-asawa pa ba ako? Magkakaroon pa ba ako ng someone? Yeah. Yung energy mo is parang nagiging needy. Okay? Nagiging needy kaya parang lumalayo lalo. Opo. Lumalayo lalo. Yung parang yung person na para sa'yo. Because you're on the lower frequency. Okay? Judgment. The Three of Cups. Parang kaya kailangan mo lang muna itong surrender. Yeah, the Sun in the reversed. Yeah, nandyan na yung confusion or takot or naku, ganto ganyan. Yes, yung energy mo. Some of you. Okay? Iba sa atin, hindi natin kailangan gumawa ng paraan. Maging ano ka lang, sabihin natin, i-relax mo lang yung sarili mo. Gawin mo yung mga dapat mong gawin while you're single. Okay? And ready to mingle. Okay? Yeah. Gawin mo muna lahat, everything. Kung sa tingin mo naman is pwede pa. Okay? Bata ka pa, mga ganyang bagay. Yeah, the Chariot. Maging open. Okay? Kasi kung hindi, kung i-stuck mo yung sarili mo, hindi talaga papasok yung the Ace of Cup for you. Okay? The Ace of Cups. So, the Two of Wands, sayaan mo lang totally yung opportunity ang magkaroon ng like open door, no? For you. Kasi kapag binablock mo, nakukuha yung blockages every time you're being needy. Sabihin natin you're like talagang nakakawawa ka na kasi paano na ako, ganto, magkakaroon pa ba ako ng ganyan, ganto. Stress ka na pagdating dyan sa love life mo. So, yun yung mga nagiging blockages. So, you have to move forward muna if you need to move forward, no? Or sabihin nating relax ka lang. Oo, para mawala yung blockages. Whether bata ka or matanda ka na, mga ganyang bagay. Wala ka na sa kalendaryo, mga ganyan. Yeah. Gawin mo muna yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin. This is like a gabay. Kung paano ang gagawin mo para makuha mo yung 10 of Cups mo. Okay? Yeah, meron naman. Unang card mo is 10 of Cups. Okay? So, meron. So, some of you, ikaw lang talaga mismo ang sumasabotahe. Yeah. Iba sa inyo, meron ditong, friend na parang gusto ka. Yes. Every time na sabihin natin everywhere na nandoon ka, parang nandyan din siya. May mga ganyang bagay. We have here Scorpio, Cancerian, a lot of water sign. Yeah, they have a lot of emotion for you. Okay, gusto lagi nito na nakikita ka, malapit sa'yo. They love dogs or pets. Nasa circle of friends kayo. Nasa isang circle of friends. Okay. So, what else? Ano pang meron pagdating sa situation in love or connection? Anong kailangan malaman ng mga Gemini? The Hanged Man in reverse. And the Two of Wands. Somebody gustong mag-open up sa'yo. May gustong mag-open up. Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles. The Moon. Itong taong to, sabihin nating talagang attracted sa'yo. Okay? Secretly admiring you. Secretly. Sabihin natin some of them meron silang issue. I don't know kung ano. Page of Pentacles in reverse. Ang mahirap dito, hindi ito nagsasabi. They're just admiring you. They are just admiring you. Yung iba sa inyo, parang meron ng kailangang alisan na connection na nagbibigay na lang ng confusion, stress sa'yo. Okay? Kasi kung hindi mo aalisan, ikaw itong mapipending sa lahat ng bagay. Okay? You have to release yourself from this burden, I think. Yeah, the Ace of Wands. Kailangan mong bigyan ng new beginning yung sarili mo. And umalis sa connection na walang nangyayari. Okay? You're like, parang sabihin nating pabitaw na. Pero lagi pa rin pumipili ng dahilan para mag-hold on. No? So, pero mas mataas na yung chance na gusto mo nang bumitaw sa connection na to, kung ano man to, because it's not giving, no? So, yeah, So, there. So, kailangan mo nang bumitaw if ever. Do it. So, what else? Ano bang meron? So, the person on your mind, Gemini. The person on your mind. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Gemini. Gemini. What's for you? Okay. So, sino ba tong taong to? Anong meron sa kanya? Gemini. The Queen of Swords in reversed. Some of them, they have legal issue, legal background. Being the Queen of Swords, that's somebody na pwedeng yung mga pinagdaraanan. Okay, there is galit, revenge, something like that. Hang on, magkape tayo ng kaunti yan. Okay, the Queen of Swords. Some of them pwedeng kasal to. Okay, Queen of Swords in reversed. What's with this? The Magician. Is this person trying to connect? Death is here. Gusto ng taong to ng connection with you. Some of them, ang galing magmanipula. Ang galing magmanipula ng mga sitwasyon, ng emosyon, kung ano man. Gusto ng taong to ng support. Actually, they need support. Page of Swords. They're looking for you. They want communication. Okay. Iba sa inyo pwedeng may kakonek. Iba sa inyo. Okay? Anyway. So, anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya? Sa sitwasyon, anong kailangan malaman? The Two of Wands in reversed. And Temperance. Kapag hinayaan mong open ka rito, magkakanda gulo-gulo ka. Temperance in reverse. There's imbalance in general. Pagka naging open sa taong to, pag winelcome mo yung energy ng taong to, pag winelcome mo siya in general, the Two of Wands is here, that's being open. Pagdating sa situation, then Temperance is here in reverse. Good luck. Good luck. Okay? So, if ever, kung ako sa'yo, hindi ko na para i-welcome to. Yung energy niya. Yeah, hanggat maaari, hold back. Okay? Strength. That's blocking some of you. Blocking the person. I don't know why. Kasi yun nga, Temperance in general, in reverse, is imbalance. So, may chance na kung ano man ang meron sa'yo, magugulo. What is their emotion right now for you? Okay, their emotion for you, Gemini. Let's see. The Knight of Wands. They want to... Yeah. They're playing around. Yeah, some of them. The Knight of Wands in reversed. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. Walang ibibigay na maganda to. Okay? Kung anong meron sa kanya, kung anong drama sa buhay niya, ito kapag nakipagganon ka sa taong nasa low frequency, mahahawa ka dun. Yeah. Kung anong meron sa kanya, at nakipagganto ka, nako, parang winelcome mo na lahat ng stress na meron siya. Welcome. Isalin mo din lahat sa akin. Parang ganyan. They want you. Yeah. They want you. They feel stuck. See? Kung ikaw, i-welcome mo to, yeah, para ka na rin pinili, na, parang pinili mo na rin na ma-stuck. Parang ganon. Okay? Let's see what is their next action. They still feel the unfinished business with you. Meron ditong parang hindi natuloy eh. Kasi, yeah, parang gusto nyo pa rin matuloy kung ano man yun. There's that urge. Okay? Sakat na ng lalamunan ko. My gosh. Ay, okay. So, ano ba ang next action niya towards you, Gemini? Judgment. Ah, talaga? Ayaw pa rin itong tumigil. Oo, para siyang challenge, no? Para siyang challenge for you. Judgment and the Five of Cups. King of Pentacles. The King of Pentacles, this is somebody na talagang gagawa at gagawa ng paraan eh. Okay? Para makuha ka. Ayaw nila mag-regret or what? Ayaw nilang manghinayang or what? They will try na kumonek sa'yo. Ang dapat mo lang gawin is what? Tumanggi, tumanggi, tumanggi. Kung ayaw mo talaga ng imbalance, Wheel of Fortune in reversed, di po ba? Pero kung yeah, okay lang naman sa akin, edi go. Okay, go. It's up to you. Yeah. Page of Cups in reverse, the Three of Swords. Ten of Swords. Kailangan mo lang tong i-know. Okay, yeah. The Lovers, the Connection, the Ten of Pentacles. Anong gusto mo? Ito or mas magiging okay yung buhay mo, pamamera mo? Diba? Para sa kanya, para sa taong to, meron siyang gustong mangyari eh. Pagdating sa inyong dalawa, I don't know kung ano. Parang merong kulang, or I think parang meron ditong hindi natuloy before. Parang meron ditong hindi natuloy and gusto niya yung matuloy. Yun lang. And then I don't know kung yeah, pwedeng magkaroon ng repeat dito because of the Judgment. It's like a cycle. Parang makukulong ka sa cycle with this person. Are you willing na makulong sa cycle with this person? I don't think so. So, anong potential outcome ninyo? Potential outcome this end of April. The Devil. Okay. The Attachments. Ang hirap nito. And the Three of Cups. Nasa small circle lang ba kayo ng taong to? Seven of Wands. Yeah, ito yung limit. Ito yung saying no. Just say no. Kasi walang magandang patutunguhan to. Okay? Wala. Attachments. Yeah. No label for some of you. If this is a third party connection. Okay? Magugulo lang eh. In general, kung itong taong to is kukonek lang din sa'yo, walang magandang mangyayari. So, yeah, the Seven of Wands. Just say no. I don't know why kanya-kanya kayo ng issue, kanya-kanya kayo. No, pwede namang hindi to mag-resonate 100%, pero kung naka-resonate ka, yeah. Ayaw naman natin ng ganito. This is like chain. Naka-chain ka. Okay? Kung hindi mo tatanggihan to, magiging cycle sa mga tumatanggi ngayon, sa mga nakatanggi na sa taong to, very good. Okay? Kasi parang sinagip mo na lang din yung sarili mo eh. Sa totoo lang. Okay? So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. For you, Gemini. Let's see. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page, and yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Nandyan po, no? Nakalagay description. Oo, diba? Okay. So, Aries, you have to avoid Aries. Gemini, I don't know why Gemini. Taurus, they have a lot of insecurities. Gemini, ooh. Somebody is, sabihin nating, having revenge. There's this guilt. There's this hatred. What's this? Somebody's watching you. Anyway, they have legal background or legal issues. Cancer, they're still holding back or maybe holding on, waiting for you. Leo, they can't move on. Virgo, they're isolating themselves. They're afraid na maging open sa'yo. Libra, totoo sa'yo si Libra. Okay, may mga pwedeng malaman ka about this Libra. Scorpio, there's this tension. Sagittarius, they want answers. They want freedom. Capricorn, they have a lot of actions na pwedeng gawin. They know kung ano ang kailangan pagdating sa mga sitwasyon. Okay? Aquarius, they're healing actually, or you have to heal from this aqua. Pisces, so si Pisces is not talking, sabihin natin blocking you. Some of them, they have new love interests, if ever. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Gemini placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.